Hey guys, welcome to another video of our placement analysis series. So today we'll be taking a look at the placement of MNNIT Allahabad, and if you want to know about placement of any particular institute, please go check out our placement analysis playlist in our channel. The link will be in the description, or you can click the I button here. So let's talk about MNNIT Allahabad. In 2019's NIRF ranking, MNNIT Allahabad was ranked 7th among all the 31 NITs and was ranked 42 among all the engineering institutes in the country. So you can get an idea of how good this institute is. So let's take a look at the visiting companies that visited in past years. So here the list of the past recruiters on their official website. Guys, all the data I am showing you is on their official website. I'll provide you the link to this data so you can go check out yourself directly. So here you can see the companies list are arranged in alphabetical orders. You can see in ABB, Accenture, etc. Here you can see Bell, Vale, Capgemini, etc. Dell. So you can see plenty of companies visit this institute and they recruit a good amount of people from there. You can see, you can check this out. I will leave the link in the description. Like you can see here Flipkart, Gale, Google, HAL. So there are plenty of companies that visit this campus, and you don't need to worry if you are in BTech. However, the placement scenario in MTech is slightly different from top NITs. I will talk about that in later parts of this video. So you can check the visiting companies here like Reliance, Qualcomm, PepsiCo, PGCIL, PowerGrid, etc. So now let's talk about their placement statistics over the years. So in this tab, you can see the placement statistics of 2011 till 2019 are given. We'll only take a look at the 2019 placement because that is the most recent and that will be most beneficial for upcoming years. So you can see these branches are all for BTech like biotechnology, chemical engineering, civil engineering, computer science, electrical, electronics, information technology, mechanical engineering, production and industrial engineering. This column is eligible candidate, this column is placed candidates, this column is how many job offers were offered, and this is percentage of placement, this is average CTC, this is maximum CTC. We can see in biotechnology 76.92% were placed with average CTC 6.84. Let's take a look at civil engineering. 6.54 was the average CTC and 70% were placed. So pretty good in civil engineering. Let's look at computer science. As usual, computer science has the highest placement, 97.6% with maximum of 36 lakh per annum. That is huge, and average package was really good, 15.12. Electrical engineering placement was really good, 96.97 with average of 8.01 and maximum was 23.84. That is pretty impressive for electrical engineering department. For ECE, as usual, the placement is 90.63 and the package is pretty good. 10.95 is average package and maximum is 36. You can see for mechanical engineering also 93.64% were placed, which is really good. And IT also for the highest package of 36 and average package of 12.97. Let's take a look at MTech. Here you can see the MTech statistics is given for all the MTech branches under all the departments. Total 320 people were eligible for placement, only 84 got placed. So keep that in mind. Only 84 out of 320 were placed and 86 jobs were offered, which means 2 candidates got double job offers. So that makes the placement percentage 26.25% only. And I will show you in which branch most were placed in MTech. So the average CTC was 7.15 of 8.79 of all the MTechs and maximum was 18 LPA. Like you can see for MCA 77% were placed with 7.15. In MBA 91% were placed with average salary of 4.14, which is pretty poor for MBA. Anyways, NITs aren't that good for MBA. You already know that. and for MSc there were no placement. So here is two pie charts. On the left one you can see eligible candidates in 2019, how many candidates were eligible from different branches, you can see in this pie chart, and this pie chart shows how many of those eligible candidates were placed. So let's take a look at BTech. In BTech total 726 candidates were there, and total BTech 671 were placed. And here is department wise, like in computer science 167 candidates were there and 163 got placed. Like in electrical 66 were there and 64 were placed. Like in ECs 116 were placed, 128 students were there. Like in IT 90 were there and 86 was placed. So in BTech you can see the placement is pretty good, almost everyone got placed. Now let's move on to MTech. In MTech total 320 were there and 85 were placed. And here branch wise, let's look at mechanical. In mechanical 71 students took admission in MTech, and out of those 71 only 21 were placed in 2019, which is pretty poor. Now GIS, in GIS 16 were there, and I guess there is no placement because there is no GIS here. Let's move on to EC. 41 students were there, only 22 got placed. In EE 51 were there and 7 were placed. Let me tell you one thing, in EE 51 students mean including all the specialization that is offered under electrical engineering department, like power system, power electronics, like NEC, VLSI, communication. So these departments include all the specialization under that department in MTech. Let's move on to computer science. 47, and in computer science only 16 were placed. So you can see in computer science also in MTech the placement is really poor. So just that you can see for other years also, like here the placement studies of 2018-17, you can check for any year you want, but I think only last 2 years will be relevant for this year who is willing to take admission. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope this video helps you, and if it did help you, please leave a like. And if you want to know anything about any institute, their placement, please leave a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, because I'll be covering almost all major colleges in terms of placement, and I'll be starting soon a college overview of all the IITs, NITs and triple ITs. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.